everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is boat. Next week's theme will be Maker's Choice. And so I'm just going to jump right in. So this week I am using from Sweet Stamp Shop, Dream Oceans, and I'm using the sentiment right there. And from the Paper Studio, I am using this embossing folder with all the anchors. CC Designs, Make a Banner, and I'm just using that little small banner right there. And from Sizzix, I am using this one here with the dots. Don't know what the name of it is, but there goes the number, if you can see it, 561561. And that's what I'm using from there. Also, I will be entering this card into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And here goes my card. I really like how it turned out. I got the images from my silhouette. Yes, go figure. I did use my die cutting machine this week, so I was happy to do that. And if I can remember, I'll try and link the project numbers down below or up top, so that you can find them on the silhouette. But anyways, I really like how that turned out. I thought I would use red, white, and blue along with a little bit of craft. Thought it was perfect. And then just the yellow for that little rope in the background. But really, really cute. Love how it turned out. Love that look of that embossing folder on that dark blue. And I thought I would use that die from Sizzix to try and imitate a little bit of the circles, bring those back into the background. And then I just thought I would add that little banner off to the side. And there goes that sentiment. Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. I really love that sentiment, but that's what I created this week. Make sure you enter into our hashtag so that we can come over and visit you, and also Jillian Norwood's hashtag. That's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.